The Cambria Hotel is the new kid on the block at the Disneyland Resort, and its rooms are lovely, but have some unusual features. In this video, we take you on a step-by-step tour of the one-bedroom king suite, and stick around to find out if it's got the right stuff to top the charts of our honest hotel reviews. Hey everyone, this is Julia with Honest Hotel Reviews, and today I'm at the brand new Cambria Hotel at the Disneyland Resort, giving you an honest room tour and review. This video is not sponsored, but if you like what you see, we'd love your support. Give us a like, leave a comment, or subscribe, and let our conscience be your guide. The Cambria Hotel opened in late 2019. This hotel offers some amazing amenities, including one of the best breakfast buffets, plus an amazing pool area, which we review in some of our other videos. So if you're thinking about staying here, we encourage you to go check them out. We booked a one-bedroom king suite and were given a room up on the 8th floor. This suite is made up of a living space and a bedroom with an ensuite. We were impressed with the modern decor, but there were a few eyebrow raisers along the way. When you first enter the suite, you walk into the kitchenette and living space. The kitchenette consists of a full-sized fridge, a microwave, a Keurig coffee maker, a sink, and that's it. We found it a little odd that there was nothing in any of the drawers or cupboards, not even a dish towel and soap. Next to the kitchenette was a small dining table for two, then a comfy living area with a couch that can be converted into a bed, a TV, an armchair, and a nice coffee table. If you're here for a longer stay, this extra room is great, especially if you're traveling with family members who have a different sleep schedule than you. The bedroom was also very stylish and had an absolutely lovely king bed with tons of pillows. Lots of bedside chargers, a bunk bed with a trundle bed pull-out so it can sleep three little ones, a TV, and a cabinet which kept a number of hangers, a safe, and an iron and board. The room also had a few wall hangers and a bench, but I did notice there was no proper luggage stand. Our room faced away from the park and had a view of the parking lot area, the Starbucks, and a couple other restaurants. The bathroom is connected to the bedroom and was interesting. Good, but interesting. It had two showers, a bathtub shower, and a standalone shower, which is great if you need both. We felt this space might have been better used. For example, instead of the tub-shower combination, it could have been replaced with a nice deep soaker tub, or even just more counter space. The water pressure was good, and we had no problems getting nice hot water during our stay. The Cambria provides great toiletries and lots of towels, but I was especially excited about the awesome full-sized hairdryer. Now it's time to reveal our room rating for the Cambria Hotel's one-bedroom king suite. We rate every room we stay in based on the same four categories, which are cleanliness and condition, comfort and security, in-room amenities, and value. That way you can see how they stack up against each other. First up is cleanliness and condition. This is a brand new hotel, so it's no surprise we gave them a 4.5 out of 5. That said, there were a few nicks and bumps, and the trundle bed drawer and the cabinet doors were super hard to open. Next up, comfort and security. This place was spacious and comfortable, but we can't quite give them a 5 simply because the pillows were actually kind of uncomfortable. So we've given them a 4.5 out of 5. When it comes to in-room amenities, we gave them a 4 out of 5. I mean, how many one-bathroom hotel rooms have 2 showers? But again, we couldn't give them a 5. We were kind of shocked that this hotel did not supply any dishes or utensils for a suite with a kitchenette. But other than that, they nailed it. Last but not least is value. Now, this one was tricky to evaluate. For the price we paid, we still think there should have been some glassware or a few dishes at the very least. But I will say this, not many kitchenette suites have full-sized fridges and 2 showers. All in all, we landed on a 3 out of 5. This gives the 1-bedroom king suite at the Cambria Hotel an overall score of 4 out of 5. We've stayed at many hotels in the Disneyland area, and this room competes with the best of them. If you prefer a nice, newer hotel and don't mind staying a few blocks away from Disneyland, we highly recommend this place. Not only do they have great rooms, they also have tons of hotel amenities for guests of all ages. For more information on the Cambria Hotel, check out our overall hotel review and our breakfast buffet video. If you're considering other hotels in the Disneyland area, we post new videos every week. Head over to our YouTube channel or check us out at honesthotelreviews.com for more hotel recommendations and travel tips. I'm Julia, and this has been another Honest Hotel Review.